Oh, we about to get into Handlez, McGee, Freestyle, Atlanta top tier, Cypher in the parentheses. We're about to get into it. We're about to see what my man Handlez, McGee is coming with. He said Handlez easy, bro. His name, that's fire, bro. Yo, Handlez is he's a super lyricist, bro. Shout out to Louisiana. Shout out to Bloomington, Illinois, man. Shout out to the A, man. That's where he live. He resides in the A now. Yeah, he lived in Bloomington, Illinois. He was born in Louisiana though, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what he. If my memory is right, man. Handlez, McGee, let me know. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. Let me know. Yeah, bro. Handlez, this dude should be way bigger than what he is, bro. He should be way more popular. He should have way more notoriety. This dude is This dude is he's the epitome, bro. He's the epitome of extraterrestrial, bro. He's the epitome of extraterrestrial, bro. This dude is not from Earth. He's not human, bro. Like this dude, his wordplay, his rhyming, his flows, his substance. Dude gets busy for real, for real. This dude is yeah. This dude is a monster, bro. This dude's an animal. Like he should be way bigger than what he is, way more popular. He should be way more popular, man. I believe he's gonna blow up though. I believe bro. He gonna blow up, man. I believe in him, bro. Like he's too nice with it, bro. Too fire. Super crazy psychosis partner. That's a bar, man. Real talk. Yo, this dude looks like Snoop Dogg. I ain't even gonna hold you or front or flash. This dude facially resembles Snoop Dogg, bro. Like real talk, like he got the glasses, yeah, bro. I wonder, is he related to Snoop Dogg? Let me know, let me know, man. Let's get into it.
Yo, it's Mike Sick, Tupac, y'all the Bulletproof Bear. This is the 40K top tier rap Cypher, high off life, rap grade. I got the whole
Handlez easy.
Let's go. Product of Pac and Mama creating a problem under the constellations. Who knew that I'd be the star that one day would solve equations? I can shine city by your favorite like product placement. Prop the Jason to the greatest artist. I'm a doppelganger.
Yeah, man. Yo, the rhyme and the flow. Yo, this beat is knocking. I ain't even gonna flash to you on that. Yo, this beat is knocking. This beat is hard.
Product of Pac and Mama creating a problem under the constellations. Who knew that
4-syllable rhyming.
would solve equations?
Bro, the whole solar system bars and all that. Yo, he doing the whole the science bars, whatever you want to say, bro.
I can shine city by your favorite like product placement. Prop the Jason to the greatest artist.
Yeah, this dude's spitting, bro. This dude is spitting.
One day we solve equations. I can shine city by your favorite like product placement. Prop the Jason to the greatest artist. I'm a doppelganger.
Equations, adjacent math bars. He's spitting science bars and math bars. Yeah, simultaneously, bro. This dude, he got layers in his bars, man. Adjacent meaning next to. Adjacent. ADJACENT.
Problem under the constellations. Who knew that I'd be the star that one day would solve equations? I can shine city by your favorite like product placement. Prop the Jason to the greatest artist. I'm a doppelganger. Proud to say Jehovah God, my maker sent the dying savior. He provide the paper every time I'm taking out this anger. Not an angel. If you write waves, then I'ma drop the anchor. Got more range than booty with the belt. Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal.
Hold up. Yo, my man with the delivery, the rhyme, and the quadruple syllable rhyme.
Not an angel. If you write waves, then I'ma drop the anchor. Got more range than booty with the belt. Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal.
Yeah. My man, bro, like the body of water bars, the ocean bars, the ride the wave, bro, ride the wave, drop the anchor, boat, the boat bars, bro. He's spitting.
Every time I'm taking out this anger, not an angel. If you write waves, then I'ma drop the anchor. Got more range than booty with the belt. Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal. I can body language. This what happens when you take the X out.
Yeah. I can body language. I can kill language. Like he does this he's adept at what he does. He's very skilled. My man, he bodies language. He kills it. He slays it. He murks it. But body language, non-verbal, yo, bruh. Yo, that scheme is fire. That wordplay is fire right there. That's heavy wordplay right there.
How much rap is non-verbal? I can body language. This what happens when you take the X files, copy paste them, promote the Scully.
Yeah, man, bro.
Arrange the booty with the belt. Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal. I can body language. This what happens when you take the X files, copy paste them, promote the.
Yeah, this man scheming, bro. This man scheming. This man scheming.
Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal. I can
Body language.
This what happens when you take the X files, copy paste them, promote the Scully with jotting statements. Number 2, be cooking crack for practice. You see him over the potty training. It got me to thinking. I'm often impatient.
Yeah, like, man, bro. He's man.
Arrange the booty with the belt. Outside, I tell you how much rap is non-verbal. I can body language. This what happens when you take the X files, copy paste them, promote the Scully with jotting statements. Number 2, be cooking crack for practice. You see him over the potty training. It got me to thinking. I'm often impatient. Time to kill. I'm bored talking like Johnny and Plant. Music cooking overseas like Nadia Bates. Pearl Harbor out of nowhere, then shot up the rents. A lot of you thinking.
Hold on. Oh, but you know what I'm saying? World War II bars. 1941, December 7th.
Pearl Harbor out of nowhere, then shot up the rents. A lot of you thinking his words high. Got some nerve high. It's a problem that I swerve high. That my word high. Thought I was a nerd high. Saw the curls high. Streets face it, I'm a step ahead like a curb stop. Get him a name.
That's a bar, bro. I'm a step ahead like a curb stomp, bro. That's WWE bars too, man. Like, certain wrestlers, that's their finisher, curb stomp. Seth Rollins, that he does the curb stomp on people. Britt Baker, DMD and AEW. Britt Baker, the Doctor, Britt Baker. Her finisher is curb stomp. Curb stomp. She be curb stomping other women when she competes against them, bro. That's her finisher. She be curb stomping people. Seth Rollins too, man. And WWE, both of them are mad talented, man. For real talk. Step ahead. I'm a step ahead. Yeah. STEP space A space HEAD. Yeah, the wordplay, bro. He said I'm a step ahead like curb stomp, bro. You step on the person's actual head, bro. Step ahead, step on head. Yeah, STEP space ON space HEAD, step on head. STEP space ON space HEAD. When you curb stomp somebody, you step on their head. You drive their head into the mat or into the ground or whatever. If you outside on the sidewalk or whatever, curb stomp somebody's head into the ground, bro. Like, bruh, they face gonna be all messed up, bro. Yeah, this dude is different, bro. This dude is different. I'm a step ahead, like he's ahead of all these people, bro. In the rap game, he's ahead of the competition. He's advanced, bro. Like he's further than other people, bro. He's further, bro.
Music cooking overseas like Nadia Bates. Pearl Harbor out of
He's
nowhere.
a step ahead.
A lot of you thinking his words high. Got some nerve high.
Yeah, the flow switch, the swag, the inflection.
Thought I was a nerd high. Saw the curls high. Street space it, I'm a step ahead like a curb stop.
Street space it, I'm a step ahead. Like, bruh.
Nerd high, saw the curls high. Street space it, I'm a step ahead like a curb stop. Get him a name, I'm gonna take it. Get him engraved, then I place it on his tombstone. Get him engraved, shifting your table of contents. When I'm enraged, I'm a killer. Go grab a coroner, flipping the page, the hardback.
Yeah, my man with the delivery, the rhyme, and the bars, bro.
Shifting your table of contents. When I'm enraged, I'm a...
Hold on. Yeah, Table of Contents. That's a song too by the Roots. Table of Contents, Black Thought, on one of their albums. I don't know if he's paying homage to the Roots when he says Table of Contents.
Get him engraved, then I place it on his tombstone. Get him engraved.
Yep. Yeah, man. Yeah.
name, I'm gonna take it, get him engraved, then I place it on his tombstone, get him engraved, shifting your table of contents. When I'm enraged, I'm a killer, go grab a coroner, flipping a page, the hardback, he in tune, all of y'all can see it too. You can book me for any venue, just read the room.
Yeah, the scheme, bro. Book, read, table of contents, like the whole reading wordplay, bro. Like what do you say? Turning the page. Like, what do you say? It's too much work. Too much, bro. This dude is different. I love this dude, man.
Get him a name, I'm gonna take it, get him engraved, then I place it on his tombstone, get him engraved, shifting your table of contents. When I'm enraged, I'm a killer, go grab a coroner, flipping a page, the hardback, he in tune, all of y'all can see it too. You can book me for any venue, just read the room, just prologue a lot of chapters when I pin my work, but y'all don't comprehend unless you use the index first. The scheme was sick, now my fucking girl always try to read the print, but be careful, cause Chanel at the crib and she seeing this vehemently leading the league in the assistant, got season tapes, teach your kids, Handlez the professor, and my English lit, he is ill.
Bro, this dude is different, man. I'm telling you, this dude. I love this dude's bars, his music, his performance, his delivery, bro. If y'all like that joint, comment, share, sub, show, Hive, Life, Love, Handles, Love. Tell them Devo the Amberverse sent you, man. Let me know what y'all thought about everything. Yo, I like the flow switches he came with, the swag, the multi-syllable rhyme, and everything was fire, bro. Everything was on point. Like his energy, his delivery. Like he be coming with the heavy wordplay, bro. That's what I'm a big fan of. The heavy wordplay, man. He don't be coming with light bars. He be coming with heavy bars for real, for real. It's clever. It's clever. He's the epitome of extraterrestrial, bro. Like I said before, man. This dude is different. I keep saying that. It's the truth though. I always keep it a butt, man. That's hot. That's what I honestly think about him, bro. He's an animal. He's a monster. He's a future legend, future GOAT. This dude is, this joint needs to have way more views than this, bro. Like this joint should have 572,000 views for real talk. At least this dude is different. The reading wordplay, that fire, bro. I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate and love y'all. One love to the family of DTA. Elevation before. No GTA, man. I'm gone.